Should we go get them? Okay, they're moving. They're going all the way over there. Let's go now. Let's move now.
Alright, I'm gonna go pop.
I'm on live.
Oh shit, he's behind us.
Oh.
I saw him.
Where?
He's right behind us on that.
Okay. Let's go.
He's right behind us, so watch your back.
Yep. They also moved. Cameron, they're behind us too. Cameron, they're over there too. Hey, can I get a check? Can I get a check over there? Let's get a check real fast. Oh, watch that.
Yeah, I'm only watching. One more.
I don't like this hot tub. I heard footsteps. I just made me turn. Okay, ready? Let's go. Tree seems clear.
Hide by those trees.
I was gonna say.
Hide in that tree. Hide in that tree.
We're good. I have to go check the side of the house.
Let's go check mine.
I know.
Your side and then our side.
Yeah. They are on your side. We know that because I saw them running. Clear. We're clear. Let's go.
My side can clear up this.
Wait. That corner. Are they over there? Let's go. Good. No one. Okay.
Wait, I'm quickly checking.
Yeah, go. Behind.
Ah! I got you, bro. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Down. Oh, shoot. Your dad was right there. You ready with Russell's gun? Hey, Quinn, I'm down.
Okay. Oh. Hey, Bentley. Hey, Bentley. Hey. That's game.
Bentley.